video. It's like entertainment, and today I'm coming at y'all with an unboxing. So we're gonna be unboxing the Wavy Merch black and gold do-rag, alright? I will say I waited 4 days for this package. They said it was gonna be sent like on the 24th, then they delayed it to the 26th. I'm like, what?
What?
So here it is. Alright, so first unboxing on this channel. It's pretty lit. So right out the gate, we got, this really looks professional, I'm not even gonna lie. Right here, like it says do-rag, premium head wrap, you know, gives you some information. Wavy Merch. Nick Wavy did a legit job on this. Like, this joint's lit. Now look at that, even attention to detail on the bag. Bruh, this man's not playing games. This is actually my first Wavy Merch product that I bought. I've been seeing him blow it up on Instagram and everything. He's doing so much promo. A lot of people are vouching for him, so I said, why not support the man, you know? I love his channel, why not? So as I open this, let's see if I can get a little bit closer. So as I open this up, you can see, goddamn, woo! What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! This isn't even a fake reaction. Y'all just saw I just opened this box, like this, whatever you call it, this plastic jar. Bruh. What? This is so silky. Yo. I didn't think it was gonna look like this, bruh. This is probably the best do-rag I've ever felt in my life. Like, no cap, like real. Oh my gosh. So obviously you got the, let me see, I want to make sure you guys see that clearly. Y'all got the Wavy Merch emblem right there. So now I gotta try it on. So by the way, if you guys don't know much about me, like I've been doing like an Afro journey for the past, I want to say 10 months, almost 11. If I had to chop it off, I had to go back to the waves. So right now, this is my first week waving. So yeah, I'm back in the game. Just thought I'd start it off differently and try some Wavy Merch. So obviously you guys know you got to do it inside out so you don't get that line. Wow. This is wild. Dang. This is wild. And the flats, like the do-rag part that you tie, it's like extremely thick. My god. This is what it's looking like, yo. This is what it's looking like. It's crazy. It's not really gonna be a review, it's an unboxing, but I could say this John feels really comfortable. I will say towards the back, the tails part, it's a little bit shorter than I thought, but it might just be because of design. It's not a bag thing, but dang, I don't feel like this thing can get off my head. Like if I go to sleep, I feel like this thing's gonna stay. Yeah, that's my unboxing. I mean, shit, this John's lit. Like this is actually a really good do-rag. It might be the best one I've ever gotten, for real, for real. But that's it for this video. Shout outs to Nick Wavy for making this Wavy Merch do-rag, you know. You got me looking fresh right now, so I can start my wave journey strong. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what else you want to see on this channel. Check out my vlogs. Y'all be sleeping on my vlogs. My vlogs are lit. I've been going to a lot of places, doing some crazy stuff, so definitely check out my vlogs. Check out my Afro journey if you're into that as well. I might be making some wave videos, for real. Just depends on my schedule right now, but yeah, I'm interested in doing wave stuff, so let me know what you want to see on this channel. Make sure to follow me on social media. Links will be down below in the video. I'll also leave them inside the description. And lastly, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace!